welcome back to Pendragon's Twisted Metals. Tonight we are going to be continuing working on our Celtic knotwork piece. We need to put some jump rings on each of these pieces so that they can all be nice and put together. So we're going to need two here, and then I'll probably put another like two loose ones so that it can dangle a little bit, and then the same on the other side. Possibly another 1 to 2 on this side as well, just to have a ring to be able to put around the neck for the necklace area. But that's going to be doing a lot of soldering, so let's get started.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Alright, so we have this piece set up now. So I think we have enough time to put 2 of these rings onto this piece as well. So it's gonna come in like this. I'm gonna have 2 pieces, and then of course we're going to do a third ring that's gonna be loose on both so that this can move. But this is coming out really good, so let's keep going. Alright, well, that went very well. We got all the pieces soldered. Well, not all the pieces soldered. We still have one more side on each of these to do. But, basically, this is what it's gonna end up being like. And then, of course, the other side is going to be over on this side. So it's going to be nice and dangly. And looking really nice. I thought about these little twisted things, these twisted rings, instead of just plain jump rings. Just to keep the kind of Celtic aesthetic. I think that works out really nicely. And it might solidify the fact that we might be doing a Viking knit for the necklace. Not sure yet. I'm still leaving it up to you guys, but if you guys don't do any type of your own comments, then that's what we're doing, basically. So unfortunately, that is all the time that we have left. We got a lot of work done, so, you know, that's at least good, but we got a lot of work to do. So I hope that you all enjoyed this episode. If you did, hit that like button, and if you really liked it, hit the subscribe button and the bell, so you get notified whenever I put out a video. I'm trying to do 3 videos, I'm trying to get back into 3 videos, but it's a little difficult being home. Just to try to work in you know, the lives and home times. So just trying to adjust a little bit. It is an adjustment, but I hope that you all enjoyed and have a wonderful evening.